Okay, I'm obsessed with the code transfers at Hobby Lobby, but you can find these other places. I found them at Michael's for $1. You're not going to get as many in the pack, but I found them at Michael's too. But Hobby Lobby, you can see they have all of the items to go with it, so you can make like a lot of fun stuff. You can do keychains, all that, but we're going to grab the bookmarks for this DIY, and then you see they have the bookmark shaped code transfer stickers that go along with it, and they have a lot, and you get like 4 in the pack. And then you can also grab some ribbon here, trims, different things to finish off these bookmarks, and you can grab some cute ones that go along with it. I would suggest to catch these on sale so you can save a few dollars. But this DIY is real easy, real simple. And like I said, you can use these code transfer stickers for so many projects, but the bookmarks are real nice and easy, and they're a good gift to give too. So you're going to get more of the bookmarks than you do of the stickers. So to make it work, I would suggest that you get a couple packs of bookmarks and then the stickers, or do like I do and use the stickers for other things too. So you can grab more packs of the stickers than the bookmarks and use those for other things. But anyway, you're just going to make sure some of them come in like solid pieces and some of them come in like little pieces like this one. This one has a bunch of little ones, but the outline is shaped just like the bookmarks. So you'll just line it up with it and press it down. Make sure you press it down real nice and flat so that everything sticks. It's just like transferring, if you ever work with your Cricut and stuff like that, and you're transferring the vinyl onto whatever your project is, and you're using the transfer paper, and you just want to make sure that the vinyl is real nice and down to the surface before you start peeling back that transfer paper. But if you do mess up and some of it doesn't lift up with it, some of it does lift up with the paper, just push it back down and press it on and it works out just fine. But this one, I love the cherry print. I've made a few things with it and it just comes out so nice. But like I said, they have a lot of nice prints. But that is it. It is simple. It is done. And then once you are done making them and seeing how you like them, then you can add some cute little ribbon to it because, you want your bookmark to also stand out when it's in your cute book. And these make really great gifts. And you can put these together with some other items and stuff like that and make like a cute little gift set. But I just picked a few pieces of ribbon and put those through the hole at the top and tied it off. So it's real easy, real simple. And like I said, these only take a few minutes. And in a few minutes, you have like a really cute kind of custom gift that you can give. And you can see I used a few different ribbons with each one. You can use one ribbon, you can use twine, based on the transfer stickers that you do use, based on what type of ribbon or what type of finishing you would do with this. You can even put a little keychain thing on there so that people can carry their bookmarks around. You can get really creative with it, but I'm just going to use ribbon and just, like I said, tie it off once I picked all of my ribbon, and then that was it. I had 4 nice, easy bookmarks, and like I said, only takes a few minutes to create this, and you can have a gift for someone or a gift for yourself. You can give it to them the whole pack of 4, or you can split it up. You can put it with a nice mug. You can put it in a cute gift basket. You can put it with like some beauty items. You can put it with some books. But these are really cute to give, and like I said, really inexpensive to do these.